Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, the place where we dive deep into the world of cybersecurity, helping you stay safe and informed. If you've been around the way for a while, you probably heard of DDoS attacks. They can cripple websites, disrupt services, and cause a whole lot of chaos. But don't worry, today we're going to tackle exactly how you can defend against these digital onslaughts. So let's jump into it and explore how to stop DDoS attacks and keep your online presence secure. First things first, let's quickly understand what a DDoS attack is. DDoS stands for Distributed Denial of Service. It's an attack where multiple compromised systems, often infected with a Trojan, are used to target a single system. The aim? To make an online service or website unavailable by overwhelming it with a flood of internet traffic. Now let's get to the defenses. Step 1. Early detection. The key to effectively combating DDoS attacks is early detection. Implementing traffic analysis tools and monitoring services can help you detect unusual traffic patterns and potential threats before they escalate. Look for solutions that offer real time analytics and alerts. Step 2. Over provision bandwidth. It might sound simple, but having more bandwidth than you typically need can give you extra time to act before a DDoS attack impacts the service availability. While it's not a standalone solution, it's an effective part of a multi-layered defense strategy. Step 3. Use anti-DDoS hardware and software. These are specialized hardware and software solutions designed to detect and mitigate DDoS attacks. These can filter out malicious traffic and ensure that only legitimate traffic reaches your server. Regularly updating these solutions is crucial, as attackers constantly evolve their methods. DDoS attacks can be daunting, but with the right preparations and tools, you can significantly reduce the impact. Remember, cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field, and staying informed is key to protecting yourself and your business. I hope this guide gives you a solid starting point for defending against DDoS attacks. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.